What if I told you that you can replace expensive AI software with completely free tools that do almost the same thing? In this video, I'm breaking down which free AI tools actually work and when you actually need to pay. Paid AI tools can cost $2,300 monthly per tool. For freelancers and small businesses, that adds up fast. The good news, free alternatives have caught up dramatically. ChatGPT free, Canva AI features, and open source tools now compete with premium versions. But there's a catch: free tools have limitations. Let's break down what you're actually getting. ChatGPT free handles 90% of writing tasks. Canva offers free AI image generation rivaling paid tools. Hugging Face provides unlimited AI models. Overconjun rivaling Synthesia has a free video generator. Notion is free and Notion free. These tools work best for creators testing ideas and small businesses managing budgets. Most have premium versions, but honestly, the free tiers are powerful enough for beginners. Go premium for API access, priority support, and high volume usage. If you're generating 100+ images monthly or need commercial licenses, paid tools make sense. Premium unlocks features, faster processing, advanced customization, and dedicated support. For agencies and scaling businesses, investment pays off in efficiency. Start free. Build your workflow. Test different tools before spending money. Most creators succeed with free tools spending money. Most creators succeed with free tools smartly. As you scale and hit tool limitations, upgrade strategically. With your Goyim study guiding cost, don't pay for features you won't use. Track what actually increases your productivity and revenue first. Drop a comment which free AI tool surprised you the most, and if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews.